Every time you type a sentence and press generate, somewhere on Earth a warehouse full of machines wakes up. For the next few seconds, your little sentence takes a journey through one of the most complex systems humans have ever built. This is what actually happens. From the inside. First, your words stop being words. The system slices your sentence into pieces called tokens and turns every piece into numbers. Because the machine doesn't read English, it reads mathematics. Your idea is now a long list of numbers traveling down a fiber optic cable at the speed of light. Inside the data center, those numbers become something stranger. A point on a map of meaning. A map with thousands of dimensions, where a cat at sunset sits close to a kitten in the evening light, and very far from a tax invoice. The machine now knows what you meant. It still has no picture. And here is the part almost nobody knows. The AI does not draw. It does not sketch. It does not paint. It does not search the internet for pictures. It starts with pure random static, millions of pixels of meaningless noise, and then it does something that looks like magic. Step by step, it removes the noise. 20, 30, 50 steps. At every step, it asks, given everything I learned from billions of images, what is hiding in this static that looks most like a cat at sunset? It sculpts the noise, the way a sculptor finds a statue inside a block of marble. Halfway through, ghosts appear, shapes, colors, a horizon. By the final step, the static is gone. Something that never existed is looking back at you. A decoder turns that mathematical object into actual pixels, and the finished image races back up the cable to your screen. Total time, a few seconds. Total distance traveled, possibly thousands of kilometers. And none of it was free. Because here is the cold reality. Generating that one image burned real electricity, on average around 3 watt-hours, and on the heaviest models, as much as fully charging your phone for one picture. That is roughly 60 times the energy of asking a chatbot a question. And video? Video is the monster. One single 5-second AI video can use as much electricity as running your microwave for over an hour. Every second of AI film is dozens of images, generated one after another, on racks of processors that each drink more power than an entire house. Zoom out, and the numbers get hard to believe. Training one frontier model can use as much electricity as a whole city consumes in days. GPT-4's training is estimated at enough energy to power San Francisco for 3 days. And to keep all of this cool, data centers are on track to need trillions of gallons of water by 2030. Somewhere, right now, water is evaporating so that pictures can appear on phone. So the next time an image appears on your screen out of nowhere, remember, nothing came from nowhere. A warehouse hummed, silicon burned, water evaporated, and static was sculpted into a picture just for you. This has been Cold Reality. Subscribe. There's a new hidden truth every week.